Hey everyone! What's the most anticipated holiday in December? Christmas, of course. Today, in just a few minutes, I'll show you how to create some super dreamy, one-of-a-kind Christmas ornament decorations. Ready? Let's get started. Before we start the magic, let's take stock at our magic materials. First, the all-important molds. I've chosen the Christmas ornament mold, the gingerbread man mold, and the gnome and reindeer molds. Next, we'll need a 1:1 ratio regular epoxy, glitters, Christmas miniature figurines, chrome powder, acrylic markers, metallic chrome markers, ribbon, raffia, some mixing cups, and an electric mixer. And that's it. Easy, right? Now the magic begins. Let's make the Christmas ornaments first. Mix 1 cup of regular epoxy in a 1:1 ratio by volume. Stir until it's completely smooth and there are no swirls. Add some glitter, and please note that no more than 20% of the resin's volume should be used. Then let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to let the bubbles rise into foam. Now slowly pour the defoamed resin into the mold. Be careful not to pour too much. Filling about 1/4 of the mold is enough, since we'll be adding decorations later and need to leave some space. And let it cure for about 8 hours. Now comes the fun part. Time to unleash your creativity. Decorate with stickers, raffia, and trinkets. And here's a little tip. Apply a small amount of UV resin to your trinkets first and secure them to the ornament surface. Let them dry and cure. This helps keep them from shifting when you pour in the next layer of resin. The words were made with a cutting machine, which is great for creating customized products. Once all of your decorations are in place, fill the mold with epoxy resin. Pour slowly, making sure the entire mold is covered so your finished piece turns out even and smooth. Then let it fully cure for 24 hours. Time to demold. Look, it's so shiny. The edges are smooth and no burrs. That's the beauty of resin. Finally, decorate the gingerbread men with markers. Thread them with ribbons and hang them on your Christmas tree. And just like that, your whole tree instantly feels more festive and full of holiday cheer. Next, let's make Christmas gnomes and reindeer ornaments. First, take your chrome powder and carefully apply color on the inner side of the mold with an eyeshadow brush. Remember to use different colors of powder for different areas. And choose a soft brush. It makes the coloring process much easier. Next, pour the resin mixed with white pigment paste into the mold. Wait 24 hours for it to cure. Using white resin as the base will make the final result brighter and more vibrant. Now let's create the reindeer molds in layers. Start by pouring a thin layer of resin to form the reindeer's nose and hat, and let it cure. Here's a little tip. A dropper works great for filling in the fine details of the mold. For the next step, just like with the ornaments, mix some glitter with your resin. Make sure the second layer has just the right amount and is level with the mold so it fits perfectly into the base. Then we pour the second layer of resin and the base in the same way. Let it cure completely. If the piece doesn't fit neatly after demolding, don't worry. You can simply apply a small amount of UV resin to the base to secure it in place. And finally, decorate the gnomes and the reindeers with markers to bring them to life. And that's it for today's tutorial on making resin Christmas ornaments and decorations. Isn't it simple and fun? I hope you'll give it a try and add a touch of handmade warmth to your Christmas. It's also a great idea to make wonderful gifts for someone special.